Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show my chatbot that I made myself and how you can make one. Well, first of all, here we go. Now here it's just 5 lines actually, just 5 lines of code and you can use it. Now here it's from training import lean_response. So what happens here is it takes two arguments, the user input and then the user ID. First of all, it checks if it has numbers, it stores the input. Then here in the try part, the main thing happens. Okay, response. If percentage in input, then find the percentage. For maths, this one's for finding a log, this one's for the factorial, this one's for the prime number. No, actually it's the largest prime factor. This one's for the smallest prime factor, this one for the prime numbers. If a number is prime, okay, find the factorials of value, convert Roman to decimal, convert decimal numeral to Roman, convert base values, find the HCF, LCM, and whenever the input is only like numbers like that, then it responds. I can see you type some numbers, what am I supposed to do? Then this one's for number 2 word, then it returns the string response. Now suppose it did not return anything, then it will go for this lean_response input. Okay, here it does if input is in response. So the response here is data. Wait, not this. If input in response. Where is my response, man? Okay, here. This is the responses. It's about 1337 lines and it's about 200 kilobytes. Then it checks if the input matches the response, then it returns the response. Like suppose if it is high, it returns hey, how may I help you today. I can add more values like hello, how may I assist you, like that. Now it's gonna choose any one of these two and it's gonna return the value. Now if this condition is false and also this condition is false, then it goes for the response 2. Now here it returns the maximum matching input. Like suppose it has hi. Now if I write like hi and hello at the same time, then it may return this one or this one, any one of this. Let's just test it for now. So here I have no hello hi, I mean hi hello. If I do hi, it returns hello, how may I assist you. That's here. If I do again hi, see it returned hey, how may I help you today. Hi hello. Okay, so this is the thing with this, that is it returns from this one. How can I strategy engage blah 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 blah, this one. Let's try again. As you can see, it has some problems, but still it works fine. What is 100 times 100? Okay, it's correct. 100 to the power 12. You can see. Okay, bye. If you need any help, I'm here. Okay, Yuki. Okay. okay, enough, man. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. Just a straightforward model. I also have a web app of this. Let me run it for now. Here we go, and let's check it out. Debugger is active. Okay. Okay, site did not load properly. Close. Terms and condition. Accept. Hello. Who are you? Provide me a code for hello world in C++. Okay. Can you just provide the code? Okay. Here you go. Here's a simple code on how to write hello world in C++. Code example of an LLM. Okay. Bye. Yeah, so that's it. The source code is available at my GitHub, or you can just visit the site. This lina.mrlithmar.in actually. lina.mrlithmar.in. You can just go to that website. Then here, then tap here, then click here. github.com/mrlithmar/lina. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 versions. You can download any one of this. Logical interactive neural algorithmic AI. I know it's not AI, but still I consider it as AI. Subscribe.